Hi everyone, good morning. Let me check. No, it's not on slow motion. I will, I'm gonna try something new. A while back when I was doing the marbling, I wanted to create something that looked like a cherry blossom. So that's sort of what I'm gonna try and achieve right now. And the idea came to me by, I'm sure you remember this one a while back, where I used the straw to do the sides, as you can see here. So I thought I'd try to recreate that, but then to make it look like cherry blossoms, something like that. So that's what I'm going to try to do. So I'm might not be talking much because I need my, and this is the perfect consistency. I wish I could show you on the side. Let me show you, wait a minute. Oops. Okay, wait a minute. Can I put it there? Yes, I can. As you can see here, see that? That is the perfect consistency for pouring. Oops. See how it's coming off the stick like, sorry about that. That it's coming off the stick like, sort of like honey, and that is really what you want. Can't see it from up there though, sorry, but that is the perfect consistency. Now I have this background color, which is white, and there is absolutely no silicone in here, none whatsoever, but I will be torching it, you know, to get rid of these little air bubbles. So a little bit more. Like doing a cake. Let's see if we can get it nice and smooth. That's about it there. Okay. And of course it'll this will also, you know, go really nice and smooth because of the all the additives. There's Floetrol in here and there is pouring medium, the old pouring medium from Vallejo, and of course water. There we go. That's about it. And of course I need to do the sides because I want to do them before I do the top bit. Because we want a lot of coverage of this paint. We don't want to do anything else to the sides when it's ready. Just a little bit of white. That's it. Getting the corners. And I really do need it a little bit smoother, so I'm not sure if I'm going to put a little bit more on. Okay, that's pretty much done. And I do need a little bit more because it's not totally covered. There it is. Now it may not work what I have in mind, but if it doesn't, then I'll just, you know, do my thing and pour some more on top and make something totally different. That's okay. Sometimes you have these things in your head and it doesn't work out, but you know, just work with it. Okay, that's most of the air bubbles. Yep. Okay, now comes the fun part. Let's see. Let's start with, I have all these colors pink, as you can see. And what I want is sort of coming down here. I'm just imagining a branch coming down this way with a little bit bigger flowers down here, because that's how the trees grow. That's one color. I gotta layer some of these, because you want to have both colors. And of course you want some that are really just totally pink up top. That's that. Now I need another color, really pinky pink. Just a tiny little bit here and there. Whoops. And we'll see what happens. Okay, now what I want to do is get a straw and let's see what happens. And of course this is abstract, right? It's not really, you know, it doesn't have to really look like flowers. It's kind of nice. Oops, gotta blow it the other way. That's nice. Okay, that's nice. And I really like how all these things are sort of webbing. That's something I was looking for, but I think I have just a little bit too much pink paints. To go that way around. Okay, now these are a couple of splotches that I really don't like, so I'm going to try and do something with them. And of course I'm going to torch a little. And I think what would really be cool working with this stuff is an airbrush. I'll have to hit the button on that one. Yeah, this doesn't do anything at all. There's no extra cell action. So that's about it. You know, when you do that, that's what you get. Now, I am going to work a little bit more. I think there's some spit stuff in my little straw. Ow. That was my head on the microphone. Well, to me it looks like a lot of blossoming of something. Now, I have green, which I do want to use, just to give the illusion of that there are some leaves going on. And I might just let them come over these drips that I didn't want. Let's see what happens. Yeah. Still liking it. Still not feeling like I have to make it into some other abstract swipe thing. But I'm sure I could do better with the airbrush, I'm pretty sure. But this is looking really pretty. I like this going on, I like that. Wait a minute. That is nice. Okay. Now I just have to fix the top here. Turn it around that way. Nope, I've got to blow the other way. Ooh, sorry. Let's put some dark on there too. Okay, that's it. Instead of cherry blossom, I think it looks more like a hibiscus, if you know what I mean. You know, the hibiscus going like that. I just might touch it up when it's dry with some a yellow in the middle here, and then make some of those, I don't know how you call them. I'm gonna try that right now with a brush. Let's see. Like right here, get a little bit more paint on my brush. Like right here, I think would be something of a flower thing. Yep. That one's pretty obvious, but the other ones, well, let's see, maybe here, yeah. I think one would be here. A little bit more paint. Gonna make one here. And we're gonna do one up here. So then I'll make some of those, you know, I don't know how you call them, but they're, you know, those little things with the pollen on them. I'm going to do that when it's finished, when it's dry. Don't want to jinx it anymore because I really like it like this. Okay. I'm going to show you up close. There it is. Ooh, I saw one little thing that I do want to take out. Let's see. Got to get one of those little sticks on my palette knife because there's one drip here I don't like. That's it. It's gone. Okay, that was it. Get you back in focus there. This is really nice. I like it. I like the way it looks like. They're all flowers. Just got to get rid of this a little bit here. Let that go over the side. Drop on this. That'll flatten out. So when it's dry, like I said, gonna make those little pollen things. And I had brown. I mixed that up because I wanted to do the cherry blossom like branches. I was gonna put this on later, but I think I won't do that on this one because it won't add to this, I'm pretty sure. So this is it. It's a 30 by 30, pretty big. And I'm pretty sure that this will give some inspiration to some people. You know, this is so easy to do. You know, the flower petals, this is just paint, doesn't matter what kind of paint. A little bit of pouring medium, a little bit of Floetrol, and of course your silicone, and then just use a straw to blow it over the white, and that's what you get. So no matter what paint you use, I'm pretty sure it's gonna work. Okay guys, I'm gonna put this one away. Oh, I can't put it away, I forgot the paper. Okay, well, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna do finish off those two paintings I prepared yesterday. The only thing I can't find is my glazing medium. I've been looking all over the place, so I'll have to go search for that. That's the downside of a big studio. You got too much stuff all over the place. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Love you all to pieces. Liebe euch alle.